So I got this from Shein, and the box is so clean and simple. But what's inside? The fan itself. It's a USB rechargeable fan, a built-in light. It charges with Type-C. Three detachable blades. Remote. Type-C cable. And it comes with QR code manual. Just scan it and you get the instructions on your phone. The strap or hanging strap. Touch display, you can control the speed, set the timer, and check the battery level. Let's assemble. This for the strap. Use the strap to hang it anywhere. USB Type-C charging. Plug it in. See that lightning icon? It's charging. On remote, press here, power button. You can turn it on and off, then you can set timer, 1 hour, 2 hour, 6 hour, or 8 hour, and also the speed, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plus light button. See this hole on the bottom? It's actually a tripod mount. I'm using my octopus tripod. See, it's standing desk fan, no hanging needed. So you hang it, stand it, or use as a nightlight, 3-in-1. I almost forgot the best part. You can add essential oils. Just drop some on a cotton pad, put it inside, and now it's fan and a diffuser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.